The Book of Genesis, chapter 1, verses 1 to 31. The creation. In the beginning. When God created the heavens and the earth had no form and was void. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, while the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. There was evening, and there was morning, the first day. God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters and let it separate them." So God made the vault and separated the waters below it from the waters above it. And so it was. God called the vault sky. There was evening and there was morning, the second day. God said, "Let the waters below the sky be gathered together in one place and let dry land appear." And so it was. God called the dry land earth, and the waters gathered together he called seas. God saw that it was good. God said, "Let the earth burst forth with vegetation, seed-bearing plants and fruit trees upon the earth that bear fruit with seed in it, each according to its kind." And so it was. The earth produced vegetation, plants bearing seed each of its kind, and trees producing fruit with seed in it each of its own kind. God saw that it was good. There was evening and there was morning, the third day. God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky to separate day from the night and to indicate festivals, days and years. And let them be lights in the vault of the sky to shine on the earth." And so it was. God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the smaller light to govern the night. And God made the stars as well. God placed them in the vault of the sky to give light on the earth, to govern the day and the night, and to separate the light from darkness. And God saw that it was good. There was evening and there was morning, the fourth day. God said, "Let the waters swarm with an abundance of living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky." God created the great creatures of the sea and all creatures that move and with which the waters teem according to their kinds, and every kind of winged bird, each according to its kind. God saw that it was good. God blessed them, saying, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the waters of the sea, and let the birds increase on the earth." There was evening and there was morning, the fifth day. God said, "Let the earth bring forth every kind of living creatures, cattle, creatures that crawl along the ground, and wild animals of every kind." And so it was. God created every sort of wild animals, cattle, and every different thing that creeps along the ground. God saw that it was good. God said, "Let us make man in our image, according to our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea and the birds of the sky, over the cattle, over all the wild animals, and over all the living things that creep along the ground." So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God he created him. Male and female he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea and the birds of the sky and every living creature that moves on the ground." Then God said, "I give you every seed-bearing plant which is on the face of all the earth, and every tree that bears fruit with seed. They will be your food. To every wild animal, to every bird of the sky, to everything that creeps along the ground, to everything that has breath of life, I give every green plant for food." And so it was. God saw all that he had made, and indeed it was very good. And there was evening and there was morning, the sixth day. We've just finished chapter 1 of the book of Genesis. Take a moment to reflect on how this scripture speaks to your life. Please join me again next time as we dive into another chapter. And be sure to watch the Bible chapter quiz video to test your knowledge on each chapter. God bless, and to God be the glory.